It's a swim into smoother waters for one humpback whale, which was rescued after being trapped in a fishing net in Argentina. The whale was lucky to be spotted by a passerby who did the right thing, alerting a local conservation organization when seeing the stranded mammal. Specialists rushed out in a boat. After working several hours, they were finally able to free the whale back into the sea. It's not yet clear how or why the whale came to be in the bay's shallow waters. Another save and a miracle. It all happened in Australia's Byron Bay when a diving instructor removed plastic netting entangled in the jaws of a grey nurse shark, saving the animal's life. While the shark was thankfully rescued, other animals are not so lucky, with plastic thrown away causing millions of deaths to marine life every single year. One Tunisian activist on a seashore cleaning mission is doing some good. 27-year-old Mohamed Oussama Houij is on a journey covering 180 miles of his home country's shoreline, collecting garbage from around 30 beaches. He's not just cleaning up the beaches, but also working to raise awareness about the toll pollution could take on marine life. He's also inspiring people along the way to take action, with many volunteers picking up sacks and joining him in cleaning up the trash. And so cute, dozens of baby loggerhead turtles hatched from their eggs and made their way into waves at a beach in Israel this week. Unfortunately, dangers still lurk for these baby turtles because of light pollution when they move towards bright lights mistaken for the moon close to roads and risk being crushed, dying in storm drains, or being eaten by predators. Turtles also face danger from plastic bags, which they can mistake for jellyfish to snack on. The Israel Nature and Parks Authority said they hope in a few more years the turtles will come back to that same beach to lay their own eggs, completing the cycle of life.